Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saisram Malayala. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about Anna University counseling detailed process, step by step, each and everything I will be explaining. So because Anna University people also gave some instructions for the counseling process. So before that, today's date is 7th October. So already choice filling option is open. So those who pay the 5,000 as an initial deposit, so they can fill the choices. Excel batch for droppers JEE Mains and Advanced 2022 is starting on 6th October 2021 on Unacademy platform. If you or your friends decided to take drop year, you can use this particular batch and you can see the faculty over here, and you can also register now using the link in the description, and also use my code CheranYT, for which you will be getting 10% instant discount on all subscriptions of Unacademy. And these are some of the achievements of Unacademy learners. You can see 3 members got 100 percentile, 3 members under air 100 rank. So now here I am at that particular website where you need to pay the 5,000 rupees, as well as the whole counseling process occurs in this particular website only. So I will be leaving this website link in the description. You do check out that link. If you see here, payment of initial deposit is 5,000, started yesterday 4 p.m. It will last till tomorrow like evening 8 p.m. So before tomorrow evening 8 p.m. you have to pay 5,000, those who wanted to participate in the counseling. And choice filling and locking will be, so it's already started. If you paid now, it will open like option of filling choices will be open to you, and it will last till 9th October 12 noon. Okay, those who are from other state code other than Tamil Nadu, as you all know, Anna University will offer only 52 seats, in which 2 seats are for BArch and 50 seats are for BTech. So in these 50 seats, so OC and OBC students will get only 40 seats, and 10 seats will be for SC ST. So for them community rank will be there, so based on that allotment will be done. So these are some of the instructions given to BE, BTech, BArch, other state quota for online choice filling and confirmation. So payment, so as I already said, what you have to do, add choice. So you have to fill the choices. So those who are aware of other counselings like SRM, VIT, JOSA and all, so this will be a simple process. So you have to fill the choices, like for example, you are interested in CSC only. In that case, so what are the 3 colleges which offer BTech courses for this particular other state quota? CEG, Algappa and MIT. So these are the 3 colleges, right? So if you want only CSC, if you want to prefer CEG first, CEG CSC. Then if you want to prefer MIT second, MIT CSC. If you want to give a preference third to Algappa, Algappa CSC. It's up to you. So you can give your preference order. So while allotment, what they will check is with your rank, if that first option is available, they will allot you. So if that is not possible, they will go to the next option. They will check the next second one. If that is also not possible, they will go to the third. So in this way, how many choices you fill, based on that, so your allotment will be done. That too, if your rank is okay to allot that particular seat only. Okay, now comes to the main important thing, locking the choices. So of course, after filling the choices, so you, as you all know, you have time till 9th October 12 noon, I mean afternoon 12. So you will be having a choice to fill the options, right? So if you don't lock them, automatically after 9th October 12 noon, those choices will be locked. You can see here, automatically after the stipulated time. Okay, that's no issues actually. So if you, even if you don't lock also, automatically the choices will be locked. Whatever choices locked are final choices. You cannot make any changes once you lock that. And the tentative allotment, so I will call it as round 1. So you will be getting round 1 allotment on 9th October 6 p.m. So submit allotment option till 11th October 12 p.m. I mean afternoon 12. You will be having these choices like see A, B, C, D. So one is quit counseling, you don't want to move forward, and those second is confirm the tentative, confirm the seat which you got in round 1. If you are satisfied with the seat, click that. Confirm the tentative allotted choice with upward movement. I mean, it is like this seat is okay. If there is a possibility in above choices, for example, I got second option, I want to this seat is of course a little bit okay for me, and if there is a chance in above seats, please allot me that. So that is about the second option, upward movement. Okay, and third is they decline the tentative allotted choice and opt for upward movement. So I don't want this seat, even I just wanted the above seat only. So if you want, like I got the second option, I don't want this, but if there is a possible in above options, please allot me that. That is about C option. Okay, so if you miss submitting the option in between 9th October to 11th October 12 p.m. So they will be taking you as quit counseling. And if you didn't got any allotment, you can see opting for upward movement will be one option, and quitting counseling is one more option. So if you want to try in the final round, so you have to choose opting for upward movement. So now the thing is final allotment, so we can say round 2. So after round 1, if there's some students may quit the counseling, some student may decline the seat, so there will be some vacancies, right? Those vacancies are filled in the final allotment, that is round 2. And at the end, after round 2, so again so it's up to you whether you have wanted to decline or join those colleges. So that will be the end. You will get the admission if you are okay with the like seat you got. And if you see applicant who declines, who don't want the seat after the round 1, and who quit the counseling after round 1, they will get 100% of the amount, 5,000 amount will be refunded. And an applicant shall be eligible for 80% refund after publication of final allotment if he or she does not join the allotted branch. So after round 2, you didn't join that particular college or that particular branch, in that case they will refund you only 80% of your 5,000 rupees. So I hope I have given you clear cut idea about counseling. And before that, have a look at the schedule once, so that you don't miss anything. Take a screenshot and add it to your favorite images in the gallery. So that's it guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.